Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a lemonade margarita. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of fresh lemon juice, 5 cups of your favorite tequila, and 1 cup of orange liqueur. Don't forget 5 cups of simple syrup to balance the flavors. These precise measurements ensure a perfectly balanced and delicious drink every time. Let's get mixing. Now let's combine everything for that perfect lemonade margarita. Pour the 2 cups of fresh lemon juice, 5 cups of tequila, 1 cup of orange liqueur, and 5 cups of simple syrup into a large pitcher. Stir it well to ensure all the flavors meld together beautifully. Give it a quick taste and adjust the sweetness if you like. Then chill it for at least 30 minutes. Presentation is key for a truly enjoyable lemonade margarita. First, prepare your glasses. Take a lemon wedge and run it around the rim of each glass to moisten it. Then, dip the rim into a shallow dish of salt or sugar, depending on your preference. Fill each glass with plenty of ice before pouring in your perfectly chilled margarita mix. It looks as good as it tastes. Your delicious lemonade margarita is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately to keep it perfectly chilled and refreshing. For an extra touch, garnish each glass with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint. This recipe makes about 6 to 8 servings, so there's plenty to share. Sip slowly and savor the bright, zesty flavors you've created. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.